Are you looking for the home exterior wall design ideas? We are here for you and you are at the right place. Cause in this video I am going to show you the best, the modern and latest collection of exterior wall design ideas 2020 latest collection. Stay with us and watch this video till the end. Have you ever wondered why we fail or forget to give enough attention to the outdoors while spending a fortune in interior decoration? The truth is that exterior features of your home, like your property walls, need as much attention, not just to add to the look of the property, but also to make the overall building more durable, strong, and sturdy. From outdoor wall painting, landscaping, and investing in protective brick wall coatings, there's are a lot you can do. Here are some beautiful examples that should speak more in this context. In this video, I am showing you the modern exterior wall designs. Well, this is a gorgeous example to spur up your modern house courtyard. A completely polished and beautiful area, the exterior decor also involves some creative architectural genius. Never underestimate the importance of a first impression. Home exteriors are the very first thing neighbors, visitors, and prospective buyers see. So you want your house front design to impress. Whether you are considering an exterior remodel to upgrade your front elevation and resale value, or simply you want to enhance your home's aesthetic with a fresh paint color, choosing the right exterior design for your home is an important undertaking. When exploring various exterior ideas, it is very important to remember there are different phases with a home exterior makeover. Exterior remodeling is not much different than interior remodeling. Both projects require careful consideration of all the components involved. If you are starting from scratch, browse exterior photos and determine what kind of home exterior design ideas you are drawn to and which one would be compatible with your current space. Once that's decided, consider materials and colors. Your overall home and neighborhood style will generally guide these selections, but your personal taste and resale ability should also be taken into the consideration. When this phase is complete, you can then move on to the researching exterior decorating ideas. Save your favorite exterior pictures to your house idea box and note on what kind of decorations you like and what would potentially work for your space. Adding some finishing touches to the facade like exterior shutters always guarantees a personalized lived-in look, whereas something like exterior lighting is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Which home exterior design style will work for me? The very important question. There is a huge range of exterior designs to choose from. Whether you are a traditionalist or a modernist, there is an architectural style that you will work for you. If you like an old furnished look, consider a Victorian Queen Anne type designs.